So this company sent me a laser machine, and I was able to cut these two yesterday. It took me less time than the other laser machines, but I want to share something. I'm very impressed. See how thick this wood is? Look at that. One single pass, 58 seconds. One single pass. It's very powerful laser machine. Now I'm gonna make some videos about this, but I was thinking I always wanted to do this building. See this beam right here? And that laser machine has actually the power to cut thicker woods, which will be very easy for me to do these buildings from now on. And it's very fast. So I'm gonna share you guys, here's the cutting power. Here's the power, the speed, very fast and powerful. And the engraving, 36,000 millimeters per second. And here's the power grid. So yeah, this definitely is a good laser machine. So that's about $1,000 laser machines. So shout out to Longer for sending this beautiful and powerful machine.